Although fillets create tangent surfaces, they don't create curvature continuous surfaces. Let's take a look at this part. I have two solid bodies that are identical in every way, except one has a regular fillet and one has a curvature continuous face fillet. You may not be able to tell the difference, but watch when I display the curvature of each face. This display allows you to see changes in curvature as different colors. Notice this body shows a gradual change in curvature from the lower face through the fillet face. This body displays two completely different curvatures that change sharply where the two faces meet. The curvature continuous fillet is a type of fillet face. I'll edit this fillet, and down here in the Property Manager, you can see the option for curvature continuous. You should be aware that this type of fillet is generally more difficult and time-consuming to manufacture, so you'll want to use it sparingly to keep manufacturing costs down.